Good morning, my friends. If you're over 60 and want to start your day with energy, strength, and a healthier body, this video is for you. Today we're talking about easy and healthy breakfast ideas, but also the common foods that silently damage aging bodies, and what you can eat instead. So grab a cup of tea or coffee, sit back, and let's dive in together. Breakfast is more than just a meal. As we age, our metabolism slows, muscle mass decreases, and blood sugar becomes harder to control. That means what you eat in the morning can set the tone for your whole day, affecting your energy, your memory, and even your independence. But here's the catch. Some so-called healthy breakfast foods are actually doing harm. Let's go through a few examples. Sugary cereals and those instant oatmeal packs are marketed as quick and healthy, but in reality, they're loaded with added sugars that cause blood sugar spikes and crashes. Over time, this increases your risk of diabetes, fatigue, and even memory decline. Next is white bread and bagels. Refined carbs digest very quickly, turning straight into sugar in the bloodstream. This can increase inflammation, weight gain, and joint stiffness. Flavored yogurts may look healthy, but many of them contain more sugar than a candy bar. This contributes to belly fat, weakens immunity, and fuels chronic inflammation. And of course, the classic bacon and sausage. I know they taste good, but processed meats are high in sodium, nitrates, and unhealthy fats that increase your risk of heart disease and high blood pressure. Now here's the good news. There are plenty of simple, tasty swaps you can make. Instead of instant oatmeal, go for steel-cut or old-fashioned oats. They digest slowly and keep your blood sugar stable. Add berries for antioxidants, chia seeds for fiber, and a few walnuts for brain-boosting omega-3s. If you enjoy toast, choose whole grain or sprouted bread. Pair it with avocado, hummus, or a boiled egg for a balanced breakfast that supports muscle strength. Greek yogurt can also be a great choice, but stick to plain Greek yogurt. Add fresh fruit and a sprinkle of cinnamon for natural sweetness without the sugar crash. Eggs are one of the best breakfast foods for seniors. They're packed with protein, vitamin B12, and choline, which support brain and muscle health. Try boiled, poached, or scrambled with veggies, instead of frying them with bacon. And don't forget about smoothies. A quick smoothie with spinach, banana, berries, and unsweetened almond milk gives you fiber, vitamins, and hydration in one glass. Here are some simple tips to make mornings easier. Prepare oats overnight. Boil a few eggs ahead of time, or pre-chop fruits and veggies so they're ready to grab. And if mornings are tough, just keep a handful of nuts nearby. It's still better than reaching for sugary cereal. Remember, breakfast is not about perfection. It's about small, consistent choices. Each healthy swap helps protect your heart, your brain, and your independence as you age. So my friends, next time you sit down for breakfast, ask yourself, am I fueling my body or slowing it down? If today's tips helped you, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple health strategies designed especially for seniors. Stay strong, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.